What up, YouTube? This is J35 Throttle. Just going over my 2009 Acura RDX turbo all-wheel drive. I don't have too much done to it from the last time that I made a video. This is lately what I've done. The last couple months I did a custom intake, so made a custom cold air out of a Eibach intake. Then I got some extra couplers. I got a 90-degree bend pipe, a Spectra 90-degree pipe, and then 180-degree, whatever you call it. So I got a 90-degree bend and then a straight pipe. And then I basically just moved the Eibach intake down here. Then that's one of the mods that I've done. Then I cut my engine cover so I could have my blow off valve. And then I got the Hondata Flashpro. Just got that a couple weeks ago. So I got my Hondata. It's on the K&N tune right now. What's coming next is my exhaust. So I got Thrush welded. That's all in the car, ready to get installed this coming week. So I got 4-inch pipe. I got 4-inch tips from UPower. I got a Thrush welded muffler, and then I got my Resonator Elite. So I'll be posting sound clips for that soon. Yeah, man, but same old thing. I say Eibach springs, progress rear sway bar, 22 millimeter. Got 25 millimeter spacers in the back. That's 25 in the back, 20 in the front. On some Aodhan DS01 18 by 8.5 with Achilles tires. She actually pulls kind of strong, but it's starting to lap because the actuator, the pin on the actuator is wearing out. So I went ahead and went to turboturbos.com and ordered a new actuator, a wastegate actuator. So that'll be here hopefully not this week but next week. So I'll do an install on that once that's here. But yeah, man, yeah, this is my RDX. I enjoy modding it. Nice little decent car. Corner's really good. It's not fast by any means, but yeah, man, that's it. And I'll have sound clips of the exhaust once it gets installed.